dolls. Today we're opening an LOL. And here's these scissors for a hard part. So let's get started. I know you're guessing what this one is. It's a tricky one. It's called the Pearl LOL. So you find an LOL in Pearl. Nope, not supposed to do that. Whoa! On one connection, this is really pretty. No, I'm not gonna show you guys.
Excuse me, Mom behind the camera. I'm sick if you hear me coughing.
Black. Well, those are cute.
What is it?
It's like it's little pants that look like underwear. Don't get behind me, Missy. Another black one. I feel like this is going to be her shoes.
Is it shoes?
Here are some cute little sandals. I'm getting to end up getting enough LOLs, and I'm going to begin. And this is probably her shirt. Knew it! It was her shirt. Her
Hold it
shirt
up.
is kind of like her, Okay, time to open the two pink balls. Let's see which pink ball I get. Oh no, those were her No, yeah, this piece was that's a bathing suit. I'm for sure,
Oh, okay.
yeah, I'm for sure she has a bathing suit and yeah, she has a bathing suit and clothes. This is her bathing suit and this is her clothes, guys.
Well, that's cool.
One more.
How many surprises do you get in this box?
6. You get 6 of these right here. Then you have a little
Weasel.
here. So you have her sandals to go down to the beach. See?
Mm-hmm. Cool. Now what's in that other part?
I can't show you. It's a surprise. I can't tell you. I gotta show you, not tell you. So let's have one little quick peek. You're gonna have to put this in fast mode, okay?
Put it in fast mode.
I know, right? It sounds like something super duper big. I'm gonna have to take a bath tonight. Dun 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 dun. So here's our little surprise.
So what is that? Explain.
I'm going to explain in the doll's in the bath bomb.
Oh, so you have to take a bath.
Yeah.
Okay, you'll have to wait for your dad to get done with his hair.
No, look.
He's cutting his hair. Is that the one? What is that? Let me see.
This is what you get.
Let me see. You get a baby and a... big one?
Yeah. I'm for sure you get it in this. That's why it's so humongous. You know what? We should have bought the blue one too.
There was only 2 left. We went to 3 stores to find that.
3! It didn't even take my precious baby.
She looks terrified. Alright, well, we'll be back later when the bath bomb can be used.
Yeah, but I'll put a swimsuit on for the bath because I already got my hair all washed. Yeah. So I'll just make a video with this bath bomb and I'll have a swimsuit on. Okay, guys? Hi, unicorn fans! Today I am doing this because I didn't get to do it last night because Mommy had to go to work. And so I'm gonna finish unwrapping. Yeah. So I'm gonna finish unwrapping my thing. So it smells like the wrapper right now. But it does, now it smells good. It smells good. So we're gonna step into the bath. The water's a little chilly. It's actually cold. So there, so here we go. So I thought since that I'm making a LOL doll video and getting an LOL out of a bath bomb, I have this LOL and thank you, Mommy, and this one. So they're ready to meet the new friend, and this one for the baby one. And then I have a twin one. And then I have this one. And I have a toy mermaid over here. But my toy mermaid isn't going to be in the video. Wait, she's about clamshells, so meet Crystal. So they're excited to see a new person. Don't. Jump, jump, jump. Oh, I see the shell.
Is the water draining?
Yeah.
Why?
Because I can't get it closed all the way.
Oh, you're supposed to twist it.
So there's a shell in here to open. So we'll just open the tub.
Flip it over so it...
Here's a little chunk I should break off. See, where's that blue chunk?
Probably dissolved already.
See? It deflates. Whoa! There it went.
That is bath bomb jelly, in case anybody's wondering. It looks weird, but it's bath bomb jelly. It looks like some kind of nastiness.
In the tub.
Yeah, but it's bath bomb jelly. Alright, open it.
I forgot that I wasn't going to shut this. So let's get that mixed around.
Alright, I'm on your face, so you need to show them by your face, not down by your legs.
Okay, so now I'm just going to randomly pick out of the pile. And I'm just going to pick randomly, okay? Hang on. I just wanted to do that. Here I go. It feels like this might be the baby.
Hold it up.
Got it. I knew it would be the little baby sister. And it ruined the surprise. It showed what baby sister it was. So here's the little. Ooh, she doesn't got it. Wait, she got something on her.
All right, keep going.
Okay, now we gotta do this zippity quick. It's a mermaid clothes for this doll. How many minutes am I on now?
Almost at 5.
Almost at 5. Feels like water caught in there. And it ruined this one too. Yeah, water caught in there. So here's our little LOL.
Hold it up. I can't see it.
They got the kind of the same hair. Her littles are smaller and hers are bigger because she's the big sister and she's the little sister. So here's some clothes for her. Let's see if her hair color changes. No color changes
The
there.
baby should change color in different temperatures of water.
She's changed.
You gonna put clothes on that LOL?
Yeah.
This one?
I'm gonna go put her clothes on.
That's what they look like. I think they're all the same. I don't think that the pearls have different dolls. I think if you get the purple one, you're gonna get the blue LOL. You're gonna have the
Blue
other
LOL. The blue LOL.
All right, that's it.
No, I still want a video with them playing. Hi, nice to meet you.
Say bye.